Rangers, Ethan Hiccups Hall for the national anthem music, everybody. Everybody gets another chance again. Well, Steve Mintz has a very special present for Ethan right here before he throws out the first pitch. It's his very own jersey that says Hiccups. To the ball game today, we've got Jordy McArdle down there. Where do you want to stand, Ethan? How far do you think you can throw? He's going to throw here. All right. In 3, 2, 1. Make some noise for Ethan, everybody.